Om Shri Sairam. In the previous session, we discussed about graphical representation of linear inequalities, and today we're going to learn the solution of linear inequalities, and that we have to represent in a graph, in two-dimensional graph. Let us have a first problem from exercise 9.5. Represent the solution of each of the one of the inequalities here, and we have another few inequalities. Graphically we have to represent in two-dimensional plane, that is Cartesian plane we can say. So now this is an inequality and we have to find the solution of this inequality by graph. So I am going to take this 2x plus y is equal to 8. I am going to take like this. So this represents a line, right? Now by inspection method I am going to draw a graph for this line. Here I am going to take this table. Here I am take x and y values. If I put x equal to 0, what is the value of y then? So x is 0, y is equal to 8. If I put y is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? X will be 4. Okay. So 2x equal to 8 and x equal to 4. Understand? So now my points here is 0, 8 and 4, 0. So let us represent that in graph, and you call this as origin x dash, this is x, this is y, and this is y dash. Okay. And look at here, the value of x varies from 0 to 4 and the value which is varies from 0 to 8. So for that I am going to take 1, 2, 3 and 4. And similarly on y axis I will take 2, that is 1 centimeter equal to 2. If you want to scale, you can write down, that is 1 centimeter x axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. You may write the scale. On y axis 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now my coordinate points are 4, 0 and 0, 8. Let us join this. See, this line represents 2x plus y is equal to 8. Now here the problem is we need to find the solution region. Understand? Now the Cartesian plane is divided into two offlanes. This is one of the offline and that is another offline. Now we have to check in which region the solution is. Okay, see, generally you take any arbitrary point and you can say the solution is lies in one of the off planes. Okay, so here for preferably I am going to take x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, that is origin. I am going to take origin, I am going to put in this equation. Okay, that is 2x plus y which is greater than or equal to 8. If I put x equal to 0 here, it becomes 2 times 0 and 0 which is greater than or equal to 8. And what is this 0 which is greater than or equal to 8? Is it true? 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so this is false. That means what? This is a point, this may not satisfy the given inequality. Understand? So therefore we can say the solution lies here, lies the solution region which is away from the origin. You can say, see, this region I can call it as 2x plus y which is greater 8, and this is the line I can say 2x plus y is equal to 8. Understand? You might understand this. See, if I take any value here, I can say if you take 5 and you can take 10, that will be satisfied. If I take x equal to 5 and y is equal to say some 10. Understand? So now what about this one will be 2 into 5 plus y is what, 10, which is greater than or equal to 8, understand. 2 5s are how much, 10, plus 10 is greater than or equal to 8, therefore 20 which is greater than 8. Understand, that means this is a point x equal to 5 and y equal to 10 which is lies in the solution region. We can't say this is a solution region, understand, because you take any point below, any point which is here at in this region, so the inequality may not be satisfied. So that area may not be, this region is not a solution region, and that is a region we really find the solutions of the given inequality. Okay, you may take any value here, any value for x and y, it satisfies, but below this it won't satisfy. Okay, we have another problem. What is it? X minus 2y which is less than or equal to 0, and the given inequality I can write in the form of an line, that is x minus 2y is equal to 0. This represents a line, right? And here this can be written as 2y is equal to x or x is equal to 2y, understand. Now let us draw graph for this. For this I am going to take a table here, because I can't do like just I had done in the previous example, because if you put 0 0 I can't find the order pairs, understand. So for that I am going to have this table, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 and x equal to 5, understand. So what about y, corresponding values of y? So the corresponding values of y will be, if x equal to 1, what about y? If x equal to 1, what about y? So y will be what? You can substitute here, what is that? X equal to 1, 1 is equal to 2y. So what is y? Y is 1 by 2. So when x equal to 0, y is also becomes 0, and when x equal to 1, understand, when x equal to 1, what is y? Y will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 or 0.5. When x equal to 2, what is y then? 1. This is 3 by 2, this is 2, this is 5 by 2, understand. So you can have one more value for x, that is 6. If I take x equal to 6, x equal to 6 here in this equation, what about this? 6 is equal to 2y, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 is equal to y. So that is the value of y is 3. So now here we have 0, you may take this also, 0, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. That means 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. So let us represent this, let us represent the given line in a graph. So let us take the origin, this is y, y dash, x dash and x, okay. So let us take the values of x as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7 also. And here what is that? 0 and 0.5, that is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Okay. So now let us draw the graph, let us draw when x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, let us represent that ordered pairs here. When x equal to 1, what is y? When x equal to 1, y is 1 by 2. When x equal to 2, what is y? When x equal to 2, y is 1, okay. So when x equal to 3, which is 3 by 2. So like that, when x equal to 4, the value will be 2. So like this, okay. So for negative values also it will come this side. So let us draw this, let us join this points. So like this, and this represents, this line represents what? X minus 2y is equal to 0, or you can say 2y is equal to x, understand. That is a line which represents. Now we will see where the solution is either in this offline or this in this offline. We have to check that. How are you going to check that? You can take arbitrary. If you take arbitrary, so it satisfies, and if you take any arbitrary point, you may take here. So how you can take see, if I take suppose let us say if I take 2 and 0.5, that is y is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. If I take like that, whether the given inequation is satisfies, let us see. X equal to 2 minus 2, y is 1 by 2, which is less than or equal to 0. What is the value here? 2 to get cancelled, 1, which is less than or equal to 0. That is 2 minus 1 is 1, which is less than or equal to 0. This cannot be possible, right? So 1 cannot be less than 0, right? So we can say this is false. Where is which is a point we have taken for x and y is when x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So this is not this point is not the solution for the given inequation or inequality, understand? So now you may take another point, say x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, whether the given inequality satisfies or not, we will see that. So when x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, say, so in the above inequation we can say 1 minus 2 less than or equal to 0. What is this? Minus 1, which is less than or equal to 0, which is true, right? So this point when x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, this point which satisfies the given inequation or inequality, right? Therefore we can say this is a point which satisfies the given inequality, right? So therefore we can say you can take any point within this region, okay, the given inequation will satisfy. Therefore the solution region is this, okay. I hope you understand this. Let us have another problem. 3x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. I am going to write the given as 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So you can solve it. So 3x is equal to what? Minus 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So then what is x? X will be minus 2. Represent x equal to minus 2 in xy plane. That is x dash, y dash, origin, and here x equal to what? Minus 2. Here I have x equal to 1, 2 like that, and here x equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and even x equal to minus 4 if you take. Here I got x equal to what? Minus 2. So that is this x equal to minus 2. What is this line? X equal to minus 2. Okay. Now we have to, now in this inequality you can solve this inequality 3x plus 6. Why I am solving that is I will need to check whether the solution region left of x equal to minus 2 or right of x equal to minus 2. I need to check that. So for that I am going to consider the given inequation or inequation, that is 3x plus 6 which is greater than or equal to 0. So this will be 3x plus 6 minus 6 is greater than or equal to minus 6. On both sides I am adding minus 6. So this and this will get cancelled. We left with 3x which is greater than or equal to minus 6. So you divide it 3 on both sides, it will be x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Means that we can take any values which are less than or equal to minus 2, sorry, greater than or equal to minus 2. So now you take say for example minus 2 if you take for x, which is equal to minus 2, understand. If I take minus 3 will be what? Is it greater than or equal to minus 2? No, this is false. If I take x equal to minus 1 which is greater than or equal to minus 2, right? So now like that 0, if I take 0 is also greater than or equal to minus 2, right? Therefore we can say the region x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, 2 and all which are greater than minus 2. So therefore I can say the region is this. So what is this? This is the solution region for the given inequality 3x plus 6 which is greater than or equal to 0. So let us take one more problem, that is 8 minus 2y which is greater than or equal to 2. So let us consider this 8 minus 2y which is equal to 2. Okay, now you take this 2 here, it will be 8 minus 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. So what is this? 8 minus 2 will be 6 minus 2i is equal to 0. Okay, so now what is this? 6 is equal to 2y. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is y? Y will be equal to 3. So now let us represent y is equal to 3 in graph. So what is that? So this is the one, x dash, x axis, origin, y, and this is this is y and this is y dash, this is y. So now let us represent y is equal to 3 here. This is 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 1, minus 2. These are the values for y. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to 3, okay. That is y is equal to 3. I can write this is y is equal to 3. Okay, now what we can do is, now we have to check in which region the solution is there. So that is what we need to find now. So now here y is equal to 3. Now here in this inequality, you can solve that inequality in such a way that 8 minus 2y which is greater than or equal to 2. What is this? 8 is greater than or equal to 2 plus 2y. Okay. So now you send this 2 to this side, it will be 8 minus 6 which is greater than or equal to 2y, which is 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 will be 6 which is greater than or equal to 2y. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. Y is what is this? 3 is greater than or equal to y. So that means what? Y which is greater than or equal to 3, or we can write y is less than or equal to 3. Both are same now. So now what are the values for y which satisfies this equation is, if I take y is equal to 3, which is true. If I take y is equal to 4, if I take y is equal to 4, that should not satisfy. That's why if I take y is equal to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Okay, like that 1 is less than or equal to 3, minus 1 which is less than or equal to 3, like that. So the values of y here is 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, like that. Therefore, I can say the solution region is this. So this region satisfies the given inequality that 8 minus 2y is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so this is the solution region. Another one, 3x is greater than or equal to 0. See, this 3x is equal to 0 or x equal to 0, understand? Where x equal to 0, which is exactly on a y-axis, right? X dash, y dash, origin. This is x equal to 0, understand? But now tell me where either the solution lies this side or this side. Say left of y-axis or right of y-axis. We need to check that. So here they have given 3x is greater than or equal to 0 or x is greater than or equal to 0. Just we have divided 3 on both sides of the inequation. So we got x is greater than or equal to 0. What are the possible values of x here? 1 is greater than 0, 2 is so the solution region will be this. This is what? X is greater than or equal to 0. That is the solution region, which all the points in that region will satisfy the given inequality. So this completes half of the exercise. In the next class, we do other rest of the problem, and we going to start solution of system of linear equations by graphical method. Thank you, Saira.